How to send music as voice message on Instagram. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do right here is to, of course, open our Instagram app. And then once we open our Instagram app, the next thing that we need to do right here is to just go on the upper right corner of the screen and then click the message icon. Once you click the message icon, the next thing that we need to do right here is to just choose the conversation where you want to send the audio file to. So let's say, for example, that we want to use this. And then once you're now here, the next thing that we need to do right here is to open our Google Drive. So if you haven't installed Google Drive yet, all you have to do is to go into the Play Store and then just search for Google Drive and then install it. After that, let's wait for it to finish. Once you install it, just click the open button right here. And then in this part, what we are going to do is to upload the audio that we want to send. So what we're going to do next is to click on Files, which is on the bottom right corner of the screen. And then we're going to click the plus icon, which is right here. And then after that, just click the upload button. And then in this part, what we're going to do is to just look for the audio file that we want to send. So in this case, let's say for example that we want to send this. So we're going to use this and upload it right here. And then let's wait for it to upload. Once it is done, the next thing that we need to do right here is to just click the three dots right here on the right side. And then what we're going to do is to click the share button. Once you click the share button, what we are going to do is to click the not shared right here. And then we're going to change the general access from restricted to anyone with the link. After that, we're going to click the copy link, which is on the upper right corner of the screen. So copy that. And then after that, let's go back into Instagram. So we're going to open Instagram once again. And then what we're going to do is to paste the link that we have just copied. So paste it right here and then just send it to the account where you want to send it to. After that, once you send it, all you have to do is to click the link. And then after that, they will now be able to hear the audio file that you want to send. So that is basically it. That is how easy it is. That is how to send music as voice message on Instagram.